Okay, let's start up the little Yamaha YB1, and how we do that is turn on the ignition. You'll see the neutral light come on. We want to pull out our kickstart, because it's kickstart only, and we want to give it a good kick. And it went first time, and we'll listen to it idle for a brief minute. It's got the original exhaust on it, so this is original sound. And we'll give it a quick rev and you'll hear it then. I'll turn on a bit of choke maybe. There we are. So that's the sound and startup of a Yamaha YB1 from 2001.